Now we are heading to the most popular ice drink right here. Koungnang sticky milk right here. Sabaydi!
Sabaydi, my friend.
Sabaydi, my friend. Long time no see.
You come back มีซาภาษาอังกฤษเลย
Yeah, I come back
ซา
because I like your sticky milk.
Thank you, thank you.
The best in Laos.
Thank you, my dear. I love you.
I
Welcome
love you
to
too.
Laos.
Thank you.
Oh no.
Yes.
I mean money. I mean
Win,
sorry.
win,
Welcome,
win.
welcome.
No, 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 no.
โอ้เก่งใจ
ไม่ได้
วัน
อันนี้
25
Oh, thank you very much.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you, my friend.
Welcome every day, everything.
Every day I will
time.
come every day.
จ้าจ้า
You open every day?
Yeah, I open every day.
Okay, I will come.
บางมือไม่เหรอ Thank you. You
Each,
come back.
each time I come back here, I will come and visit your shop.
Lao food, yum.
Delicious, yummy. What's the name of your shop? The name?
Stick, name me. Sticky milk Koungnang.
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 What is your name?
Kayiwa.
Ayua.
Yes.
Oh, I speak Korean.
No, you speak very nice.
Sorry.
Speak very
Okay,
nice.
return 75.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Pang Puliye.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
See you every day.
See you again every day. See you tomorrow.
Welcome.
Thank you.
My friend, Pang.
Pang.
Okay. Thank you.
Look at this. Very lovely. Amazing. Sticky milk. So guys, this is Laos sticky milk right here. The most famous sticky milk shop behind me right there. And I'm gonna be trying it out. It's basically a layer of ice, bubble tea, and sticky milk with milk.
What is this?
So it is so sticky that you're also given a spoon, so you could easily pick it up. Look at that. This is how sticky it is.
Very spicy. Give me